Welcome back. My name is Arun, and in this video, we are going to talk about the account kind in Azure Storage Account. This is the next video in the continuation of Azure Storage Account. So, if you remember when we were creating the Azure Storage Account, under the performance, we had standard and premium, and then we gotta choose account kind, storage V2 or V1 or blob if it is standard. If we choose premium, then we have some more options like blob storage and file storage. V2, V1 is there. And if we choose the performance, then of course the replication is also going to change because premium is there with LRS only. We do not have other options. So let's try to check what all different kind of storage account are there. Okay. So let's get in here. Azure Storage Account kind. So we have general purpose V2. We have V1, which is the old one. We got blob storage, which was there in the premium one. We had file storage, and we have blob storage. Okay. Now these are different kind of Azure storage account, and we need to choose as per the requirement. All these accounts has their own features, own benefits, and we're going to choose as per the requirement. For example, if we talk about general purpose V2, it is the latest. Uh, Whenever you are not sure which one to use, always go with the general purpose V2. Okay, and it has all the four services which are provided by the Azure Storage Account. If you remember, blob, files, queue, and tables, right? GPV2 supports all four, and they call it container, not blob. In V1, it was blob. Okay, and this is recommended for most scenarios. As I said, if you're not sure, go with GPV2. GPV1 is the legacy one, and we do have an option to upgrade this to GPV2. Okay, and it also supports all the four services like blob, files, queue, and tables. Now, blob storage. Well, this is newly added, not like absolutely new, like a couple of months back. Blob storage for the workloads which requires high transaction rates, or the scenarios that uses smaller objects or require consistently low storage latency. So it's a blob storage, which is going to perform on premium account. If you remember, I'll show you performance premium, and here we have this blob storage. It is not in the standard. You can see here, right? It's blob, not blob. So this is for the premium performance and high tran- transaction rates kind of workload, or consistency low latency. Okay, now if we talk about a file storage, it's the same thing, Azure Files on SMB protocol, but this one is also optimized for the premium performance, and it is recommended for enterprises and applications which require uh, high performance. Okay, we do have blob or file storage, these kind of services in GPv1 and even GPv2. We do have files, but these files is this supports the premium. Like this file storage supports the premium. That's why you can go ahead and create the file storage and for the premium with the premium uh, performance, right? Which is backed by the SSD. And then we have the blob storage. This is again the legacy one, and it is not recommended to use it. Use GPv2. Okay, and yeah, these are different kinds of storage account kind, and uh, you could use as per your requirement the one that suffice your need. If you're confused, go with GPv2.